Hello and welcome to Earn US Dollars From Anywhere. My name is Janice and I help people who are from any part of the world to make money online. Today I want to talk about how I made my first million US dollars online. I would like to ask you this question and I want you to be honest with yourself. What's holding you back from making money online? Well, I'm in a few different make money online businesses, and I will definitely tell you about each one of them in a separate video. If you are like me and want a change in your income or finances, take a look in the description, click the link, and sign up for my newsletter for more information, or comment more info and I will send you the information. Okay, so I am going to talk about passive income and how I made my first million US dollars online. What is passive income? Passive income is the ability to create financial stability and freedom, allowing you to earn money while focusing on other things or enjoying what you love most. This is what truly gives you your freedom back, as it enables you to break away from the traditional cycle of trading time for money. A great example of passive income is making a one-time investment in something that continuously generates revenue for you over time. This could be anything from dividend stocks, rental properties, or digital products to automated online businesses. The key is to find a system that allows you to set it up once and then reap the benefits repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. Now let's talk about how you can earn passive income online, where you can create a digital asset or an automated business that runs itself. With the right setup, you can set it and forget it, only needing to check in on it weekly or even monthly while focusing on other aspects of your life, whether it's affiliate marketing, selling digital courses, running a dropshipping store, or monetizing a blog. There are numerous ways to build streams of passive income that work for you around the clock. By taking the time to establish these income sources, you are essentially buying back your time, allowing you to live life on your own terms while still generating wealth in the background. This is how I was able to pay a $100 fee to secure a loan from the bank, which then allowed me to start with either $30,240 or $42,300 as my initial investment. From that point, I was able to start earning big from day one without having to do any additional work. The beauty of this opportunity is that you don't have to spend time learning complex strategies or managing every detail yourself, because the experts and the digital platform provided handle all the work for you. It's essentially a set it and forget it system where your money starts working for you immediately, generating passive income without requiring constant oversight. This approach not only saves time but also removes the stress of managing a business or actively trading your time for money. By leveraging automation and expert management, you can focus on other important aspects of your life while your money continues to grow. Have you heard about DeFi staking? Well, that's how I made my first million that is going to pay me in the near future. What is DeFi staking? DeFi staking refers to locking up cryptocurrency assets in a decentralized finance DeFi protocol to earn rewards, usually in the form of interest or additional tokens. It's a way to generate passive income by contributing to the security, liquidity, or functionality of a DeFi network. As you can see, this is clear proof that I have already made $1 million online using this project, and you can do the same too. With the right strategy and a proven system, achieving financial success is entirely possible. This opportunity is available to anyone willing to take action and follow a simple step-by-step process. For the first time ever, blockchain mechanics have seamlessly merged with real-world banking methods, creating a revolutionary way to grow your wealth. This powerful combination offers security, transparency, and automation, allowing you to earn passively like never before. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. If you are like me and want a change in your income or finances, take a look in the description, click the link and sign up for my newsletter for more information, or comment more info and I will send you the information.